Hey folks, Happy New Year's. Matt from Dispatch back here again to show you some new features that we pushed out near the end of the year. First up, you can see this email I'm working on here. We've got this nice row here with two columns. Click on that. And we actually have a disk wrapper around this. Wrappers are great. You can wrap multiple rows up if you want to add padding or background colors to them. And you can see here, I can set the background color on the disk wrapper. This is using the theme colors here, and I'll change this here, and you'll see the entire wrapping, everything around changes to this little blue color. I can go back to a transparent color, or I can use something like white. Now let's stay on white there for a second while I show you. We can also change the padding for the entire wrapper. Next up, we can do the same for columns. So we've got this column here where the image is. We can go in, we can set the column, give it a white background. No, you're actually not going to see that. Let's give it a blue, and you can see what this looks like. There you go. You can see a wrapper going around it. Notice the wrapper has no padding on the left and right, so that's why you're seeing no border there. But you can see it on top and bottom. Looks good. Next up, from those editable styles, we've got something really cool, long time requested feature in Dispatch, optional elements. So let's take a look at this hero here. We can see we have the hero image right here, and then the text, want to become an email wizard. Man, I wish I had a button in this hero. Well, I actually do. Click on show element and boom. Click here to get your wand. Awesome. Love to see that. Let's see. I made a couple changes to this email here, but I actually want to take a step back and undo. Well, how do I do that? Just a quick reminder, we've got undo and redo up here in the corner. So I click back, undo, button hides again, or I can redo. Note there are some keyboard shortcuts to make that all a lot easier on yourself as well. All right. Next thing I want to show you, we're going to take a step out of this, and we're actually going to go into look at themes themselves. Now, editable styles are an amazing feature of Dispatch. They'll let you change more components right in the visual editor. You can set font colors, like I just showed you, background colors and padding and more, but those have to be explicitly enabled in blocks. Well, we just rolled out a new feature that's called Enable All Editable Styles for Blocks. Now, this is set at the theme level. And what this does, it says for this theme, your visual editor can now go crazy, and every editable style is going to be enabled, and you can make changes right there. It improves the power of the visual editor a lot. It's really exciting, but you might have guardrails in place. You might not want this. So by default, this new feature is turned off. So you have to explicitly enable it for your themes. New themes that you create will have it enabled by default, but it's really quick and easy to disable it. It's right there. If you want to learn more, you can click here and learn more. It just gives editors a lot of more freedom to customize emails right in the visual editor. So we can click save there, and that's enabled. That's it for today. See you next time. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, please reach out. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.